Welcome to my channel. Canon MG3620 Wi-Fi Setup and Troubleshooting. Step 1. Power on. Turn on your Canon MG3620 printer and wait until it is fully ready. Make sure there are no error lights flashing. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi. Verify that your Wi-Fi router is working properly and keep your network name and password ready. Step 3. Enable wireless mode. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the wireless light starts blinking, indicating setup mode. Step 4. Install software. Download and install the Canon printer setup software on your computer or mobile device. Step 5. Connect to Wi-Fi. Open the setup software, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the correct password. Step 6. Complete setup. Wait for the printer to establish the wireless connection. The Wi-Fi light should become stable. Step 7. Print test page. Print a test page to confirm that the printer is connected and working correctly. Step 8. Fix connection issues. If the printer cannot connect, move it closer to the router and verify the Wi-Fi password. Step 9. Resolve offline errors. Remove and re-add the printer on your device if it shows as offline or unavailable. Step 10. Reset network. Reset the printer's network settings and repeat the setup process if problems continue. Thanks for watching.